congestion. Back as far as the A4123 and Lower City Road, so quite lengthy delays around there. Mount Maryhill is also heavy and variable at Mount Pleasant as you head between Lyle and Corey Bay. I think there's some roadworks around there as well. In the centre of Birmingham, Lawley Middleway at Landor Street and the A38 is very congested. There's quite a few trucks heading towards the container base on Landor Street itself, and they seem to be queuing much further on than usual for some reason.
BV15WLS.
Still in roadworks around Beacon